Welcome to It's a Piece of Cake. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this really simple quilt pattern. To get that gorgeous design we will need this stamp here, which I purchased from eBay, but it is available in Amazon and Wish. Once you've covered your cake, so while your fondant is still fresh, because once you cover cake the fondant crusts quite quickly, so as soon as you've covered it, spray it with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray and then use this stamp. And then all you're doing is just pressing really firmly the stamp onto your fondant, and it's very easy to get this stamp to line up each time you've finished it, which is why I love this stamp. So as you can see, I'm just going all around it. The advice I can give is just make sure your fondant's a little bit thicker than normal, because if your fondant is thin the stamp can cut through, and that's pretty much it. And just do it immediately after you've covered your cake, like I said, so your fondant hasn't crusted. And then just go through around the whole sides of the cake. I've had this stamp for a few years and I've never had the chance to actually use it because there's so many other ways of doing the quilt pattern, and I have to admit that this is by far my favourite way of doing it. The bottoms, once you've finished, they don't match up and line up for some reason. I don't know why with the stamps. And then all you have to do is just, once you've finished the whole thing, just go through and just make sure you just press it in so you can finish off each diamond. When you've done that, you can leave it as is, or you can add some pearls onto it. I attach my pearls with a little bit of water, so I just brush some water onto the fondant and then I press in the pearls. And because the fondant is quite fresh, once you put that water it makes a really strong glue, but you can use piping gel if you wanted to as well to attach the pearls. And just press them in until you've got them all around the whole cake, and that's pretty much what you'll get. So it's a very easy way to get this, I think, very beautiful quilt pattern. It's a fantastic stamp because it lines up nicely. I kind of rushed the back of it, but if you take your time you can really make it look really nice. I do have another tutorial using the same stamp. It's a very old video of mine. It's the same quality stamp but a different pattern, so the quilt pattern's a bit smaller. If you want to watch this video I'll put it in the link below. But thanks for watching. Hope you tune to my next video. Take care and bye for now.